Greetings, you're welcome to the Inti Creativity YouTube channel, the place to go if you want to improve your design abilities and expand your creative horizons. In this video, we'll look at how to use Photoshop's background eraser tool. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's open Adobe Photoshop. We will now create a new document using the default photo dimensions in Photoshop. I am calling my document New Image. Drag the image you wish to remove the background from and drop it into the document. Resize the image to your specifications. We will now delete the background layer in our document and create a new solid layer with a bright color. The solid layer should be any bright color of your choice, so I'm going to apply a light blue color or cyan. We will now drag this layer to the bottom. Let's click on the eraser tool from the toolbox and now select the background eraser tool. Select the image layer and rasterize it. We are going to adjust the tolerance to about 34% and then click on the background of the image to sample it. We will select all the gray colored parts to sample. You can zoom in the image to do a more detailed selection. I'm only showing you how to go about it. We have erased the background of the image and can change the background to anything we want. We can still see some gray spots in the image. You can use the eraser tool to remove all of it.